Hi everyone, welcome back to another Tech Fury video. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome and make the default browser on Windows 11. Okay, let's get started. First, open the Edge browser, which comes default with Windows 11 and Windows 10. To find that, open Start menu and search for Edge browser. Now, in the address bar, search for Google Chrome, then press Enter. Go to the first link to download Google Chrome. Click on the Download Chrome button, and it will download the setup file of Chrome browser. Open the Downloads folder. Double-click on the Chrome setup.exe file to install Google Chrome into your system. This will take some time depending on your internet connection speed. Chrome setup will download files needed to run Chrome, then install them into your system. Alright, now all you have to do is to make Google Chrome as the default web browser for your system. So when you open any link, it will open in Google Chrome. Click on the Set as Default button. Now, this is a bit tricky because Microsoft has changed this section in Windows 11. First, search Google Chrome. In here, you have to click on the Every File Type which Edge is default to, and make Google Chrome as default. Follow my lead and do what I'm doing in this video. Okay, now everything is set. Let's test it out. Let's check if a link is clicked, which web browser it will open from. I'm gonna create a text file in the desktop and type google.com, then we'll see what happens if I click on the link. Now I'm going to double-click on the link to open in a browser. As you can see, the link opens in Google Chrome, so you can verify that Google Chrome is the default web browser. So, that's it for today's video. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another tech video. Bye bye.